So let's talk about something that's, well, it's pretty radical. It's a whole new way of building a business called the AI solopreneur. And forget everything you know about starting small. This is about building a massive, high-efficiency enterprise and doing it all by yourself.
Yeah, this really gets to the heart of it. The old way of doing things, hiring huge, expensive teams, drowning in overhead, waiting weeks for someone to get up to speed, that's all being completely blown up. A much leaner, way faster, and honestly, more powerful model is here to take its place.
Okay, so here's the big question, right? What if you could have the creative firepower of a full marketing agency, the relentless efficiency of a sales team, and the 24/7 reliability of a support department, all while keeping your costs next to nothing? That is exactly what we're going to break down today.
All right, here's our game plan. We're going to start with the tech that makes all this possible. Then we'll build our business, layer by layer. First the workforce, then the finances, and the security. And we'll wrap it all up by looking at some real-world strategies for a company with 0 employees. Let's dive in.
First up, the AI revolution. To really get a handle on this huge shift, we've got to look at the specific kind of AI that's basically the engine driving this entire movement.
Now, this is a really important distinction. We've all played around with generative AI, right? Things like ChatGPT that creates stuff for you, text, images, you name it. But agentic AI, that's a whole different ballgame. It doesn't just create, it acts. It actually performs tasks. It's the difference between an AI writing a draft email for you and an AI agent that finds a lead, writes a personalized email, and sends it all by itself. That's the part that really replaces labor.
Okay, so let's move to our first layer and see how this all starts to stack up. Your digital workforce. This is where we take the most expensive parts of a traditional business, the people, and replace them with smart, autonomous software that just works.
And wow, this slide just lays out the economics perfectly. A traditional marketing agency can easily run you $5,000 a month, right? But a full stack of AI marketing tools, maybe $300, and you get 24/7 execution, not just 9 to 5. You're saving over 90% in overhead. I mean, the value is it's undeniable.
So how on earth do you manage all your client relationships alone? You get a CRM that pretty much thinks for you. And the choice usually boils down to these two. Salesforce is like a custom-built race car. It's incredibly powerful, but you probably need a whole pit crew to get it running right. HubSpot, on the other hand, is like a Tesla. It's sleek, it's got amazing autonomous features built right in, and you can start driving it today, especially with its super generous free tier. For like 95% of us, HubSpot is the no-brainer choice to start.
Customer support? Oh man, this can be a huge energy drain. A human virtual assistant works set hours, and it's going to cost you maybe thousands. An AI chatbot? It works around the clock for a tiny subscription fee. It never gets tired, it never calls in sick, and it can handle 1,000 customer questions at once. The goal here isn't to get rid of humans completely. It's to let the AI handle that repetitive 80% of questions so you can focus on the really complex stuff.
Okay, next up is the money layer. This is where we automate the financial engine of the business to keep things running smoothly and maximize that all-important cash flow.
Ugh, tax season. It shouldn't bring your entire business to a grinding halt. The old way was a total nightmare of spreadsheets, shoeboxes full of receipts, so many errors. The AI way is completely automatic. You just connect your bank account, and an AI agent watches every single transaction, categorizing your expenses in real time. Your books are always perfect and always ready. It's incredible. Now, for an AI solopreneur, cash flow is king. And guess what your biggest expense is going to be? Software. So it's absolutely crucial to get a credit card that actually rewards you for that. You want to look for dynamic credit limits that grows your revenue grows, and really high rewards on software and ad spend. This basically gives you a discount on your entire tech stack. All right, now for a layer that honestly gets overlooked way too often, but it is so critical: fortifying your infrastructure. As a founder who's out there in the public eye, your identity is your brand, and you have to protect it.
You know, solopreneurs are actually a prime target for cyber attacks because hackers know you're probably busy, stretched thin, and unprotected. This simple layered stack is your defense. Multi-factor authentication is just non-negotiable, period. AI-powered endpoint protection can stop ransomware in its tracks. And a VPN with a kill switch? That makes sure your data is never exposed, even if you're on some sketchy coffee shop Wi-Fi.
All right, here's a question that could literally make or break your entire business. Let's be real. AI makes mistakes. It can hallucinate, it can give really bad advice, or even expose client data. So, who's liable when that happens?
Your standard liability insurance? Nope, not going to cover you here. You need this specific thing, errors and omissions insurance, or E&O. So if your AI chatbot accidentally promises a client a 90% discount that doesn't exist, and they decide to sue you over it, this is the policy that protects your bank account. It is absolutely essential if you're selling AI-powered services.
Okay, let's bring this all home. In our final section, we're going to see how this all comes together in the real world. We'll look at a real case study and then a roadmap for building your own zero-employee enterprise.
So check this out. A fascinating experiment was run where an AI was set up to operate a dropshipping store for 30 days. It handled everything: product research, ads, fulfillment, the whole shebang. In just 1 month, that store generated $4,250 in revenue. A pretty solid number, right? But it's not the most important one.
This is the number that matters: $800 in pure net profit. And here's the kicker. This was achieved with almost zero daily manual labor from a human. The AI did the work. This proves the model isn't just theory, it actually works.
So, how do you get there? Well, here's the roadmap. Month 1, you gotta hustle. Use all the free AI tools you can find to provide services and just get some cash in the door. By month 3, you're reinvesting that cash into premium tools to automate your workflows. And by month 6, you've scaled up with digital products and automated services, shifting your focus away from doing the work to directing the strategy.
You know, what we're witnessing here is a major macroeconomic shift. The idea of a one-person, billion-dollar unicorn company, it used to be a complete fantasy. But now, with AI agents that can handle your marketing, your sales, your operations, these super efficient, solo-run businesses are quickly becoming the new reality.
And this, right here, might be the most important takeaway of all. Your job description is fundamentally changing. You're no longer the writer or the coder or the marketer. Your new role is to be the architect. You're the conductor of an entire orchestra of intelligent agents. So, we've laid it all out: the tools, the layers, the strategy for building a 50-person team of one. The technology is here, right now. The business model is proven. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to build with it?